Hi, I want to make a quick video about how to change database engine. The reason I'm doing this is because the new XM comes with a new MySQL database engine. The default database engine is slightly different, so some of the examples in the textbook does not work very well. Okay, so if you hit some errors when you follow the video 11032 XM EG008 this video, you probably should follow what I do in this video to fix the simple problem. Okay, again, this is my website for this class, so the website can be found here. Okay, and this video can be found on the website under EG008. Okay, here. So you should open up the web page and go to this place. Alright, so why I make this video? So if you follow the previous video EG11032 to use EG008, you may hit error with some newer version of XM because it comes with a different MySQL database setting. So let's quickly go in first. So if you go into, if you launch your XM, start your Apache and start your MySQL, and go to phpMyAdmin by click on the admin button. Okay, and of course you need to key in Harry and elbow monkey to go in and all that, but assume that you can go in, okay? Because for me, I just go in by default, but you should need to key in the user login Harry and password elbow monkey. You do not see here because I did not set up my database the same way for this video, but it's okay. You can just key in after you go in. And let's say you try to run the run the EG008 create DB MySQL file. Let me open up in here. This MySQL file, as shown in the previous video, is saved into C10 MySQL EG008. The part that caused the problem is the grant specific user rights to a specific user to a particular database. Okay, so this one does not work with InnoDB database engine. The MySQL comes with different database engine settings with different designs, so this one works with another one that comes with an earlier version, which is my ISAM. Okay, which is my ISAM, and the grant code that textbook gives and the ones we use for the example use the my ISAM storage engine. Okay, so let's see the error that you may encounter. So come over here, you say that you want to create a table, create a database, create a user, grant access rights. So if you say import, browse, C10, my PHP, EG008, click on this file, and when you try to say go, you may hit some problem here. Okay, for my case, everything works well, but you may see hit some problem here. So if you hit problem at this stage, okay, errors here. Okay, you actually see error here, but it's being created. There's no problem. Although they give you an error, can't drop, but it's being created. Unknown database used. It doesn't matter. these two errors actually does not matter, but if you hit an error below here, okay, you need to do something to fix the error. All right, so to fix the error, you go to SQL. You need to use an SQL statement to change the database engine to my ISAM. Okay, to get that code, I actually put it on my website under EG008. That is a code to author the database engine. So you come over here, select that, press Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl C to copy. And then of course Ctrl V is paste. So you copy that, Ctrl C to copy. Come back here, say under MySQL, say I want to change the database engine, Ctrl V to paste. Go. Oh, you hear error if you do that. So you have to go to choose the MySQL database first. Okay, this one. Choose the MySQL database, which of course is on the left side, right? And then go to SQL. Let me try that again. Go. Okay. Now you change the database engine to my ISAM. Okay. So again, the previous error was pretty cool because I did not choose the database, right? If you try to launch this SQL statement anywhere, it's not going to work because you have to do it in the MySQL database, which controls how the MySQL database functions. So you have to come over here and execute the SQL statement. Okay. All right. After that, let me go back again. Go back. Now, if you try to run the code again, if you go back and say import, browse, C10 MySQL, EG008, EG008 create DB SQL, and click go, you should be able to have no error message here. Okay, so that is mainly to fix the problem here. But if you have no error message here in the beginning, you don't have to watch this video at all. It's just something good to know how to change database engine in the MySQL database, which is the MySQL database, which is the database that controls how this MySQL database engine functions. The whole engine functions. Okay. All right. That's all for now. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.